Hey Emma, I really want to improve my English. Can you help me?
Of course, Ayan. The best way to improve is by practicing simple and common daily life sentences. Let's start with 50 questions. Answer them and I'll correct you where needed. Ready?
Yes, let's do it.
What is your full name?
My name is Ayan.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Where do you live now?
I live in a student apartment.
How long have you been living there?
I live here since 6 months.
It's okay. Your answer is understandable, but a better way to say it formally would be, I have been living here for 6 months. How many siblings do you have?
I have two brothers and one sister.
Who is the eldest among your siblings?
I am the eldest brother in my family.
What do your parents do?
My mother is a teacher. My father doing business.
That's close. A more formal way to say it is, my father runs a business. What is your highest level of education?
I completed high school and now I study in university.
Just a small adjustment. I'm studying at a university. Why did you choose to study in Europe?
Because education here very good.
That's a good thought. A more complete way to say it would be, because the education here is very good. What do you like the most about your home country?
I like the culture and food in India.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and take shower.
That sounds good. A smoother way to say it would be, I brush my teeth and take a shower. What do you usually have for breakfast?
I eat bread and tea.
A more natural way to say it would be, I have bread and tea for breakfast. How do you go to university?
I go by bus.
How long does it take to reach your university?
It takes around 30 minutes.
Almost correct. The proper way to say it is, it takes around 30 minutes. What do you study at university?
I study business management.
Who is your favourite professor?
My favorite professor is Mr. John. He teach marketing.
That's great. A small correction. He teaches marketing. Do you like studying in groups or alone?
I like study alone.
That's fine. A better way to say it is, I like studying alone. What do you do in your free time?
I watch movies and play games.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
How often do you go out with friends?
I go out once a week.
Where do you usually go with your friends?
We go to the mall or restaurant.
What do you usually order when you eat out?
I order burger and coke.
Almost correct. A better way is, I order a burger and a Coke. Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes I cook.
What do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta.
How often do you call your family?
I call my family twice a week.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I like coffee more.
What is your favourite season?
I like winter because weather is nice.
That's good! A smoother way to say it is, I like winter because the weather is nice. What do you usually do on weekends?
I meet friends and watch movies.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading books and playing football.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a business manager.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where would you like to travel next?
I want to visit Italy.
You did great, Ayan. Your answers were good, and I just made a few small corrections. The key is to keep practicing every day.
Thank you, Emma. This was really helpful. I will keep practicing and learning.
Great, let's meet tomorrow again for more practice.